Are you thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico? Well, in this video, we're going to tour Old Mesilla Community. We're going to walk through 3 different homes. Maybe one of those will fit your budget. So stick around to the end, and I will share with you where I'm at here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Is this your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in Las Cruces, New Mexico? Then subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications, and be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar, my wife is Tanya. We get calls and emails from people just like you moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 1 week or 12 weeks, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. All right, guys, we are at our first home here at Mesilla area. Very historic area, the Mesilla area. These homes were built around 2005, okay? And this next home we're going to talk about is listed at $380,000, and it does have a 2-car garage. I'll show you right now. It has a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and it has around 2,023 square feet. This is a 2-story home, and what I like about this home is as you walk in, you can see the beautiful stairs as you go into the living room. There's a fireplace, and then there's the stairs that you walk up. Really nice wood flooring in the living room, and then as you go up, the wood on the stairs, it's really nice. Now it also has vaulted ceiling, so you can look down when you're on top. The main bedroom, it's a good sized bedroom. As you can see, there's a balcony that leads out, and you can view the top. Really nice, you know, and the sunset would be on that way, that side, so you would be able to see the sunset coming down. There is plenty of natural light. There is granite countertops, so it's really nice. And you can see the house is the lot size is around 0.33, so more than 1/4 of an acre. And you do have nice mature trees, and I want to show that to you on this side over here. Right there, this is the other side of the house. Okay, so it's a really nice, lovely house with a loft upstairs as well. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a drive so we can see the community. Okay, guys, we are at our second home here, and if you well-established neighborhood, well, Mesilla is a well-established neighborhood. You can see some of the huge trees over here. You know, we'll do a little tour around the community as well. So this home is listed for $599,000. Okay, it has 4,662 square feet. Really big home. And it's built in 1975. Okay, let me show you the house. Now, the outside features green grass all around the front of the yard, the back of the yard. Really nice green yard. You can see from the upstairs, there's a balcony. You can view the top. Really nice. It sits on 1/2 of an acre, 0.50. 2 living rooms. Each of those living rooms has a fireplace, so you can, you know, warm those areas up in the winter. As a matter of fact, it's really getting nice now with the weather. We're in October and it feels great. The weather feels awesome right now. It does have a large kitchen, obvious, right? A lot of countertops. Also, each bedroom has a full bath. That is really awesome. There's no half baths, no nothing. Each of the bedrooms has their own large bathroom. Okay, but there's a pool in the back as well, so even when it's really hot in the summer, nice dive in the pool can freshen you up, right? All right, guys, why don't we go ahead and take a drive so we can see the neighborhood. Okay, guys, we are at our last home here on Mesilla Park. This next home, guys, it is an estate, an equestrian estate. If you love horses, this is the home for you. Okay, the property, as you can see, has large pecan trees. Okay, so you actually get 22.11 acres on this home. What I love about the house is that it sits in the middle. It sits in the middle, and all the pecan trees are all around. Beautiful. The house has 2,869 square feet. Now, it does have a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. I'm gonna try to zoom in on the property so we can see from over here. Okay, and I'm gonna talk about it. Well, first of all, it is listed at $1,400,000. Let me zoom in on the pecan trees over there. All right, so it has a lot of pecan trees all around the house. The house is over there. Okay, and you can see where the horses would go in the middle and where they would run, and then over here is where they would be held, the horses. Okay, so it's all surrounded by trees. Now the living room has large beams, which is great, granite countertops, and actually the kitchen does do a step down into the kitchen, which is really cool feature. The primary bedroom is really nice with double sinks, large shower tiled all around, and you can walk in there and there's a standalone tub. It's a really nice home. On the outside, it's a good sized large swimming pool. Okay, so now it's surrounded. It's actually very private. You got to drive in to get to the home. One of the neighbors, I was coming in and I waved and stopped and said hi, and I asked him, well, what's the reason why you love to live here in the area? And he said because of the privacy, one, and he loves pecan trees. So place here is surrounded all by pecan trees. So you're actually getting a farm. So actually you're buying a farm, and you can have horses on the property. Okay, so let's go take a drive so you can see where you would live, the area. Let's go. All right, guys, I want to thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, we've already seen those homes, saw Mesilla, well-established neighborhoods. There is newer homes, but it's known for the history here in Mesilla. And actually, guys, I am at the Mesilla Plaza, okay? So there is food here. There's peppers. There's the lacy pecans, okay? Now, not just food, but you guys can shop around. There's plenty of shops. You want to know more about Billy the Kid? Well, there is. Let me do that right there. Here it is, Billy the Kid. You can go in there and tell you about Billy the Kid. There is the chocolate ladies right here. Okay, fine hand-dipped chocolates. You also want jewelry. There's jewelry right here. Now, during the weekends, they have events here, and it gets really full of people here, so that's nice. This is the center of the plaza right here. On the other side, you have pistachios, wine. Okay, you love your wine. And they have jewelry over here. And let me see what else. And all around there's food. You probably heard of La Posta, very famous place for food. There's also another brewery. So I'm just walking around. Here is the Heart of Desert, pistachios and wine. Now, you do have close by a lot more food. You have more food like andales. They sell hot dogs. And so there's a lot of things to do and visit here. And there's a lot of points of interest here. And there's a little map that I want to show you right here. There's points of interest, tell you about it so you can, walk around or go visit. Okay, there's Fort Thorn, Leesburg Dam. So it tells you more about the history. Aguirre Springs. Okay, and then on this side, it tells us about La Mesilla. Okay, so a lot of history, guys, a lot of food, a lot of good people. So if you're ever out visiting Las Cruces, New Mexico, swing by the old Mesilla. There's friendly people here, a lot of things to do, a lot of things to visit, places to visit. So if you're thinking of moving to Las Cruces, New Mexico, give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you move to Las Cruces, New Mexico. We'll see you on the next video.